Hi guys, hope you're doing great. We're going to have our lesson today, which is lesson 19.2, Angles in Inscribed Quadrilaterals, prepared by me, Ms. Salma Ahmed. We are going to talk about Inscribed Quadrilateral Theorem, applying the Inscribed Quadrilateral Theorem. So we are going to start by Inscribed Quadrilateral Theorem and how to apply it. The theorem is saying if a quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, then its opposite angles are supplementary. We can say it that if I have a quadrilateral inside my circle, each two opposite angles, the sum of them is equals 180. So that's mean they are supplementary. So if I checked measure of angle A, which is 95, plus measure of angle C, which is 85, which is the opposite one to it, it will be 180. Now I'm gonna check again, 120 measure of angle D plus 60 measure of angle B. It gives me also 180. So this is what we prove that in inscribed quadrilateral theorem, that the quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle, then the opposite angles are supplementary. So we can say it in another way, measure of angle DAB plus measure of angle BCD, it gives me 180, which is 95 plus 85. Another one, measure of angle ABC, which is 60, plus measure of angle ADC, which is 120, give me 180. Or we can say it, measure of angle A plus measure of angle C, they are opposite to each other's, equals 180, and measure of angle B plus measure of angle D give me 180. Okay, let's have an example. Page 1021. Find the angle measures of inscribed quadrilateral PQRS. So if I have a quadrilateral inside my circle, and I have different angles, I have 4 angles. 3 of the angles are a function in form of y. So I need to find y first. So I'm going to choose 2 opposite angles that have the angles written on them, which is P and R. Both of them, they are function in y or in unknown y. But I'm not gonna choose Q and S because I don't know S exactly what is it. So I'm going to find Y first by choosing the 2 opposite angles P and R. So measure of angle P plus measure of angle R gives me 180. I'm going to substitute the P by 5y plus 3 and the R by 15y plus 17. So here we are. I'm going to combine like terms that I have the y. 5 plus 15y give me 20y, and 3 plus 17 give me 20 equals 180. Then I'm going to move the 20 to the other side by opposite sign. So it will be 20y equal 180 minus 20. So 20y give me 160. I'm going to move the 20 to get y. So y here, it will be equals 8. Now I'm going to find the measure of each angle by substituting the y in each angle that I have. So I can get P, Q, R. So now I'm going to start by P, which is 5y plus 3. Then y here is equals 8. I'm going to substitute 5 times 8 plus 3, give me 43 degrees. I'm going to repeat the same in measure of angle Q, which is y squared plus 53. I'm going to replace y by 8, so it will be 8 squared plus 53, give me 117 degrees. I'm going to get measure of angle R, which is 15y plus 17. So it will be 15 times 8 plus 17, give me 137 degrees. Now I need to find measure of angle S. So if I use the same definition of supplementary, that measure of angle Q plus measure of angle S is equals 180. So I can use this from the definition, and measure of angle S is equal measure of angle Q, which is 117. And I'm going to move it to the other side beside 180 in the opposite sign. So measure of angle S is equal 63 degrees. Another example. Find the angle measures of inscribed quadrilateral TUVW. So here I have an inscribed quadrilateral inside my circle, and I have the 4 angles. 3 of them are in a function of z or unknown z. So I have to get z first. So find the value of z first. So the same idea, I'm going to choose 2 opposite angles that I have the angles written on them. I'm not going to use T and W because T and V, sorry, because I don't have the value of V now. So I'm going to use the function from here, W, measure of angle W plus measure of angle U, give me 180 from the definition of supplementary. So I'm going to substitute W, it's 37 plus 5Z, plus measure of angle U, which is 12Z minus 27 equals 180. I'm going to combine the like terms, 12Z and 5Z. It gives me 17Z, and 37 minus 27 give me 10. So 17Z plus 10 equals 180, and I'm gonna move 10 to the other side by opposite sign. It gives me 180 minus 10, then 17Z equals 170. Now I have to get Z, so I'm going to divide by 17, the 170 divided 17, so it get me Z equals 10. When I'm going to replace each angle by the Z that I get, I can find easily the measure of each angle in form of Z. So I'm going to start by measure of angle W, which is 37 plus 5Z. So I'm going to replace the Z to be 10, and it gives me 87 degrees. Now I'm going to get measure of angle T, which is 125 minus Z. It gives me 125 minus 10, and it gives me 115 degrees. Now I'm going to move to measure of angle U, which is 12Z minus 27. So I'm going to replace the Z by 10. 12 times 10 minus 27 give me 93 degrees. Now I need to get measure of angle V. So I'm going to use from the definition of the quadrilateral theorem, or the inscribed quadrilateral, that the sum of the opposite angles are 180. So I'm going to use measure of angle T plus measure of angle V. Now I'm going to move measure of angle V, which is 180 minus measure of angle T. Now I have measure of angle T, which is 115. So 180 minus 115, it gives me 63 degrees. 65 degrees, sorry. Another example. Find the angle measures of inscribed quadrilateral JKLM. So I'm going to follow the same step to get X first, and then I'm going to substitute by the value of X. So I'm going to choose the 2 opposite angles, which J and L. So from the definition of supplementary, measure of L plus measure of J equals 180. I'm going to replace the same idea, 6x minus 15 plus 39 plus 7x equal 180. I'm going to combine the like terms. It gives me 13x plus 24 equals 180. And I'm going to get x, and the x will be 12. Now I'm going to find the measure of each angle. By substituting the x in each angle, I can find measure of angle L, which is 6x minus 15. It gives me 6 times 12 minus 15, give me 57 degrees. Measure of angle K, which is 20x divided 3. So I'm going to replace the x by 12. It will be 20 times 12 divided 3. Give me 80 degrees. Now I'm going to get measure of angle J, the same idea to replace the x. So it will be 39 plus 7 times 12. It gives me 123 degrees. And then the same idea from the definition to get measure of angle M by using the theorem, measure of angle M plus measure of angle K, because they are opposite, equals 180. So measure of angle M, it will be equals 180 minus measure of angle K, which is 80, because we get it from the previous steps. So it will be 100 degrees. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, just contact me. Thank you very much.